Morning, Joyce. How are you? It's not so smelly. For some reason, it's not showing me. Kuti pane munhu atauya here. Masikana muripo mamuka sei guys? Kwarara sei kudzimba dzenyu? Ndoda kuzama kutaurisa kuti mundinzwe mese. Just give me a minute guys. Mamuka sei guys? Should I say hi Joyce? Hi Isolate, hi Amanda, hi Cleo. It's not so smelly. It's an admin live. But zvatoda kutaura zvine chekuita nasismeli. Could you please tag others? Ndokumbirawo titegane. Mamuka sei? Kwarara sei kwamuri? Hi Jax Okwatliwayo. Good morning guys. Could you please tag others? Tingo Wanda, we want to talk and zvatoda kutaura zvine chekuita nasismeli as well. So please come through. Marara sei? Mavikupi, kuri sei kudzimba dzenyu? I want to talk about Appreciation Day. Yeah, Sis Meli. Hi, Sis Essie. Marara say we want to talk about Sis Meli's Appreciation Day. Because for the longest time since Nditange kwaziwa, I think we have never really done anything specifically for her or chine chekuita nawo or chakanangana nawo directly. And we are hoping that we can plan something for her and just show her kuti she's appreciated, she's loved, and just reminding her of the good that she's doing in the community. Hi Felicitas, hi Gladys, Manjinjinji, Mamkase, Itai, how are you? So let me just put my number. Anoda kufona vanema ideas of how we can appreciate Sis Meli and what we can do for her on this Appreciation Day. Towirirana as well on the dates. Kuti tokwanisa kuvaitira on which day. Dai kuri kunzi. There was a way we could have done this privately. We would have tungova surprise her. But oh well. Hapana kutamba. So vanokwanisa kufona, munofona. Wanda kusenda ma messages. Tuonesana kuti what can we do for this Appreciation Day. Number. Okay, there's a number, guys. Vanoda kufona, vanoda kuita WhatsApp, please do come through. Motiudzawo kuti toita sei. I'm hoping kuti sishumbresa vasi busy stereke vauyewo vandibatsire. Good morning Tatenda, good morning Gwati Nyanya Modesta, good morning Selena Makombe. How are you? Tokukumbirisawo guys, vanoda kuuya vatipe my ideas ekuti what can we do for Sis Meli on her Appreciation Day, when can we have it, tozvifambisa sei. Vanoda kufona, I think tikangokurumidza kuita izvo and then we can move on to the next topic. Timbovaratidzawo guys, all the time she's always fundraising for other people, getting help for other people, but not a day has she come and said, guys, ndikuda kuitirwa chakadai, so hapana. Pam, thank you so much for the number, but iyo yamaisa number ya Sis Meli, she's not the one hosting the live. It's me. So if we could please just call on the number and apina pasi instead, not yes Ismaili. For as long, oh yeah, thank you. For the longest time, it's always been about other people, but apana musi wakamboya. Apana zvamuri kunzwa, are you sure? Ndakatokwidza voice mufunga. Voice rakatoenda padenga izvezvi ndiri kutotraya. Ndanga ndichiti kubva nditange kuvaziva Sismeli, all she has been doing is kutsvagira vamwe vanhu rubatsiro kuti ndingari kuda kuitira chakati, ndingari kuda kubatsirwa nechakati, but she never comes and says guys nditiro chakati. But does that mean kuti she doesn't have things that she wants muupenyu hwavo? No. Does that mean kuti havasangani nemaproblems muupenyu hwavo? She also faces challenges. Does that mean kuti havana zvinovaremerawo? No, vatori nezvinotovaremerawo. But tikangoremember kuti even munhu wacho who we call the strongest, sometimes they have moments too that they don't feel so strong. And I understand kuti tiri kunzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana, so we cannot all go and give Sismeli a hug, we cannot all go and give her a big old cuddle. Number yakapinwa pasi Sis Pam. But the only way we can give her a cuddle for now is to just say we are appreciating you. So I was hoping kuti tikapanana ma ideas, and it's too early. Sis Jenny, what do I do then? Saka Sismeli tomboisa pasaidere. What are you saying, guys? What do you think? Wamwe paiwo muono wenyu. Anzina Sis Jenny, it's too early. Oh, Nanzichi. Hey, we'll suggest if we can contribute through our SA admin. She has done a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's true. She has done a lot. She has. Doja, I also had that idea kuti vari kuSA vanoda kuita something. Oh, that's why ndatry kutega Shumbres. Vanokwanisa kumutega, please taga kuti auye tionesane. Vari kuSA vakaona Sis Shumbres waita something through Shumbres, vanodawo kuita something vari kuZim. It does not have to be monetary. Even if I think vari kunoku ndo vangatokwanisa kuita zvinhu like kuvapawo vanoda kuvatengera a surprise menu, whatever you want to do, chero chichibva pasi pemwoyo wako. Even if you just want to call in on the specific day kuti utaure something about Sismeli, you can. Even if you just want to send a video, if you have a video yaurida kutaura something about Sismeli, you can send it through to me. I'll keep it for the day, and we'll even do a whole videos, whatever slot to compile my videos. It's just a way of reminding someone that has been there for us muma days azvaitiremera or muma days azvinotiremera. So we are not coming to you and saying it has to be monetary. No. If it's monetary, if it's stars, if it's PayPal, if whatever you want to do, chero tichingovaitira. Hans, I think since December is a birthday. Thank you so much, Felistas Nemuono Omrugueta. Okay, Anzi, I'll address you first, Sis Felistas Kuti, since it's her birthday. It would have been a good idea to put up a birthday rao, but we want to do it Mwezuno because it's the month that she's been kicked the hardest. Ndo mwedzi wawakikwa the hardest, left, right, and center. Is the month that she had felt the most broken after a lot of things zvanga zvichiitika. So munhu anoda kurimindwa panguva iyoyo yaari kukikwa, yaari down kuti no, you are here for a reason. There is a purpose muupenyu hwenyu. You are helping people. So December would have been a good idea. Tikada kuita futi muna December tinongoita, but for now I would really appreciate it tikaita muono mumwe chete tozviita this month because she just needs that reminder. She needs that reassurance yekuti you are loved, you are appreciated, and makati koshera. So I don't know what you guys think. Vamwe varuda kufona, please call in. And then Selena, is it? Yeah, you're saying, I really appreciate your idea. Just look, the day people will come and support. We all know she deserves the best. Thank you so much, my darling. She really does deserve the best. Veduwe ndibatsirewo ndisati ndaita anzi ndibatsirewo ndisati ndaita wrong decision pano tomboti wobata foni yemurume wako wobva waona kuti atori mugroup remahookups ari kutoisa message kuti ari kutsvaga bhebhi rekufara naro mangwana kureva nhasi. Message ndakaiona nezuro achitaura kuti ndiri kuda munhu wekufara naye mangwana but handina kubvunza. Veduwe ndibatsireiwo. Okay. Fortunate Mafuma, hanzi ndibatsirewo naFortunate Mafuma asati aita wrong decision. Ndichangosvikawo anyone andipe clue sis Michelle ndeyekuti toda kuita an appreciation day for sis Melly. So we want to talk to suggest days atinokwanisa kuita appreciation day. What we can do for the appreciation day, how do we go about it, just as a way appreciate and tiri grateful. Guys, it's been years of my diaries, being a family, my diaries, and we've never really done anything that just focuses specifically on Sis Melly. I think you guys have seen how much every time vanhu pavanotanga kuda kufona vachivati no, we love you so much, makatikoshera Sis Melly, makadai vanotraya kuda kuzvikata-kata vobvati guys zvakwana makuda kundichemedza. Like, she never really tries to make anything about her when it comes to being appreciated, when it comes to people coming through and telling her how important she is. So we just wanted to make that effort for her and just come through for her. Anzi naswema, sorry dear, usawanzobata foni yemurume zvinokupa kuita BP nekufungisisa. For now unogona kumubvunza. Okay, all right. So I don't know kuti, what do you guys suggest we do? Twitter say about the appreciation. Do you guys have any ideas? Twitter say vari kuti tisaite, pane vamboti zvonei hanzi tisataure now because vamwe vakarara. Just by a show of hands, guys, could you please let me know, should we continue with this topic now about appreciation day Sis Melly, or tozotaura later vamwe vamuka? Thing is, there's never a right time anyway, because right now vamwe vachiri kudzimba, so we could have talked about it later on. Pamwe vamwe vanenge vaenda kumabasa, kumujolo, wherever. So what do you guys think? Twitter say hi Sis Mary, hi Kudzaishe. So tanchida kungoita appreciation day yaSis Melly yavasingagoni kuya vachiramba kuti no guys, tozotaura mumwe musi yatinenge tiri in charge isusu, vamwe tichitaura kuti no tovafosa kugara pasi vachiteerera vanhu vachivaudza just how much of a difference she's made muupenyu hwevamwe vanhu. I've witnessed people come here vasina chekudya vakarara kudzimba dzavo vadya. I've witnessed people come here vachirwara vakazopedzisira vatobatsirwa vakanorapwa. I've seen people come through vane problems marriages avo, and they left vakunzwisisana. I've seen people come through trying to expose the evil yavari kuitwa nevamwe vanhu, and that exposure has saved other people's lives. I've seen people come through vachitaura kuti no toda kubatsirwa, vachidirectwa where they can get help, and they've been saved. I've seen people come here just uri low, uchifunga kuti no, nhasi ndoda kuzviuraya, and Sis Melly has helped you. The platform has helped you. I've seen people come through. Anzi, oh sorry. I've seen people come through. I think I've never told, I have told a lot of people my story. kakawanda, saka kana makubhoikana nestori mozondudza ndoziregedza kutestifya. But inini ndakabatsirwa naSismeli. I don't know if you guys remember a voice note yavakamboplay, I think it's